Good day to you. I'm about to tell you a story of a man converted to Islam after reading the Gospel of Barnabas. Many times I came across new converts after reading the Quran, but this is the first time I came across a man, a Christian man, converted to Islam after reading the Gospel of Barnabas. So this man is American and was living in New York. He said he wanted to give a break to his life, looking for the truth. So when looking for the truth, he tried to look to many religions and study many religions. He study Hinduism, Buddhism, what else? And he was still not happy and still keep looking for the truth until he satisfied himself. So he kept looking and he went to a bookshop in New York. He found a book on display titled Gospel of Barnabas. So he looked at the book and decided to buy the book. And when he got the book, he read it. It just like he will stick to reading the book until he completed. And Gospel of Barnabas has 222 chapters, about 280 pages long. So, what this man said, the scribe of the Gospel of Barnabas is a name called, it's a person named Barnabas. And Barnabas is one of the 12 disciples of Jesus. His name also mentioned in the Bibles. So he believed that Barnabas is close to Jesus or is a person authorized to scribe for Jesus. So this Barnabas wrote whatever Jesus had said in his period of being prophets from the beginning until the end. So he produced this Barnabas written a gospel, and the gospel is named after his name, Gospel of Barnabas. So He believed that Gospel of Barnabas is the original of the Gospel that tell the story and record what Jesus had said during period of his prophethood. So is interesting in the Gospel of Barnabas, Prophet Muhammad name was mentioned several times. Of course, Prophet Muhammad is the Prophet of Islam. So, so he believed that after Jesus, there is another prophet named Muhammad, which brought Islam to the world as the last messenger of God. So he believed that he, the truth is in Islam, which is also the teaching of Jesus, Moses, and all the prophets was were trying to convey the same message as the Quran, the last book of Revelation. So yes, after reading Gospel of Barnabas, he said to himself, "This is what I believe," and determined to stay with it. So he told his friend that he had converted to Islam, but his friend said he will not be, he will change his mind back to live Islam. But for years and years, changing back to his original religion didn't happen. So he actually stick to it. So he had not changed. He also tried to preach Islam to his friend, but it didn't work. He was not successful in preaching Islam to his friend, and he also tried to preach Islam to his wife. His wife also didn't listen and refused to convert. So in the end, he and his wife divorced because of different belief cannot work or live together. So in the end, he had to divorce his wife, and he tried also to convert his sons, but that was also unsuccessful. So in the end, so in the end, he was basically alone. But in the end, I don't know what is the end. He's still alive. So so bas- so what the story is, he had converted to Islam after reading the Gospel of Barnabas, and which he believed to be the truth that he had been looking. So that is the end of my story of a person converted to Islam after reading the Gospel of Barnabas. Thank you for being with me. Salam.